can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. Market updates. In this video, we're taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. Huge dump in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin falls below $91,000. Bitfinex says it's at a critical junction and Bitcoin could be headed for 70k. Goblin town on ETF Exodus. That's what Otto Hayes has to say. Sentiment in the crypto market sinks to extreme fear as Trump says tariffs is on. We take a look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market, the fear and greed index, the general cryptocurrency market. Should we still be bullish? Is the bull market over? How low can this dump go? How long can this dump last? We'll take a look at Solana, other altcoins. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. We're looking at the Bitcoin fear and greed index. Right now, there's extreme greed. There's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. We saw extreme greed in the market for over 3 months. We saw Bitcoin go from extreme fear in November of 2022. Bitcoin went to extreme greed, trading at above $100,000. Right now, Bitcoin trades around $91,000, and sentiment in the market has slid towards extreme fear. Market participants are fearful, and you can see that in liquidation data in the past 24 hours. More than 284,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $881 million. The last liquidation happened on BitMEX. One trader was liquidated for $10 million while trying to trade Bitcoin. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to get liquidated. You don't want to get left out before the final pump. Crypto sentiment sinks to extreme fear as Trump says the tariff is on. Crypto sentiments dive to extreme fear after US President Donald Trump says 25% tariffs against Canada and Mexico are on schedule. Remember the first time he announced the tariff, we saw a huge liquidation. That was on the 3rd of February 2025. Right now, he's saying those tariffs stay on, and we're seeing the charts tells us market participants are not happy with that. If that's what you want to believe, I choose to believe that we're in the end of a bull cycle. We're in the end of this whole rally we have seen over the last 2 years. I told you guys that there's some early signs that we're in the start of a bull market. Released that video yesterday on Solana. There's early signs we're in the bull market. We're in the bear market. There's an early signs we're in the start of a bear market for Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. And if you look at the chart, guys, over the last 90 days, over the last few weeks, we're seeing Solana going sideways. We're seeing Bitcoin, the king of the market, going sideways. And right now, Solana from the all-time high around $295 where it got to when Donald Trump launched his Bitcoin. Solana has been going downward since then. Solana has lost 51% of its value, even getting to as low as $139. And take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. If you're still waiting for that alt season pump, if you still believe, if you're one of the few people that believe that we'll still see alt season in 2025, I'm sure a lot of market participants have given up. They have not seen alt season in the last 2 years, guys. I believe Bitcoin dominance is going to take a big dump to Goblin Town. We saw a liquidation on the 3rd of February. We saw Bitcoin dominance rallying to new cycle highs. Bitcoin dominance got to as high as 64.27%. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is at 52%. In my own opinion, Bitcoin dominance will take a big dive down towards Goblin Town. That will see getting below the 50% region. In my own imaginary situation, that's when the market will be pumping. That's when all coins will be pumping, and that's when market participants have run out of the market. Right now, that's when the extreme fear. That's when they run back into the market trying to capture those gains. The sentiment in the market is not nice. Many people bought meme coins that have gone down a lot. If you take a look at the total crypto market cap, currently sits above $2.92 trillion from the all-time highs. We have not done that well from the all-time highs that will go to around the $3.73 trillion level. Total crypto market cap is just down around 21%. But all coins in the market are down biggie. If you take a look at total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, you see that they are down more than 21% because all coins in the market are facing a terrible time. Bitcoin going down 20% has sent all coins going down 30%. Some cases, all coins are down 40%. If you take a look at the crypto fear and greed, if you take a look at the crypto market index, you see that over the last 1 month, guys, all coins are down 40%. Some all coins are down 50%. We will have all coins that have seen more than a 50% dump over the last 1 month. But guys, it's not all fear. It's not all bad news. At some point in time, we're going to see greed return back to the cryptocurrency market. $1 million question is, When will that greed return? History has shown us over time. You want to buy when the market is in extreme fear. Market participants are fearful. They don't want to get these tokens. You want to buy then. When we see greed in the market, that's when you want to be selling. We saw greed in the cryptocurrency market for over 90 days. We saw greed starting from November, December, some early parts of January. Right now, sentiment is just resetting in the cryptocurrency market. Now let's look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin could be headed for 70K. That's what authorities say. Large hedge funds playing the ETF arbitrage game are starting to unwind their position, putting more selling pressure on Bitcoin, the BitMEX co-founder says. It's very, very funny, guys. When Bitcoin is pumping, you hear all the good news. When Bitcoin is pumping, you hear how all the institutions cannot wait to buy more Bitcoin. But then we see a small dump to Goblin Town. Then we see Bitcoin going from $109,000 to as low as $91,000. And then market participants are scared. That's just a 15% decline for Bitcoin. We have seen Bitcoin go down more than 15% on its right towards $109,000. We saw Bitcoin dumping by more than 32%. In 2024, that dump ended in August, the 4th of August 2024. Remember, the Japanese yen carry trade, yada, yada, yada. The context is when market participants are scared, when they are running out of the casino, that's when you want to run in. And when they are trying to run back in, that's when you want to be running back out. You want to do opposite of what the head is doing. The head is always going to be wrong at the extreme. The best time to sell your Bitcoin was above $100,000. Best time to sell your Bitcoin was around $105,000. Right now, Bitcoin trading at $91,000 is a critical junction. That's what this Bitfinex analyst has to say, saying Bitcoin is mirroring traditional finance markets, and the lack of price momentum has led to a period of contraction for the crypto markets. Other news going around the cryptocurrency market: Meta Planner El Salvador stacks Bitcoin as Bitcoin slides 5% in 10 hours. The SEC to ask regional office directors amidst Doge cutting costs, and Sam Bankman-Fried, for the first time in 2 years, started tweeting. Has he got his phone in jail? Only time will tell. Ohio introduces bill preventing state taxes on crypto payments. Let's head back to the chart. Bitcoin trades around $91,000. Bitcoin has been consolidating since the 8th of November 2024. Bitcoin has gone sideways for 111 days. I won't be shocked if we see more decline for Bitcoin. Bitcoin could easily come to $70,000. But before we come to $70,000, I want to see one more rally towards $100,000. A rally towards $100,000 will mean Bitcoin will pump by 10%. And I guess, or I'm assuming, that rally is when you see the altcoin market going crazy. That's when you see Ethereum probably going back to $3,000 or going to $3,500 for the last time. Something strange I've noticed since when the dump happened on the 3rd of February of 2025 is that Ethereum is outperforming both Bitcoin and Solana. Ethereum is still up about 17% from the dump that happened in February of 2025. But if you take a look at Bitcoin, if you take a look at Solana, they have almost lost the level they held on the 3rd of February 2025. For Bitcoin's case, Bitcoin held the $92,000 level. Right now, Bitcoin has gone below $92,000. For Solana case, we saw Solana trading around $160, $167. That was on the 3rd of February 2025. Right now, Solana has broken below that key level. Solana has gone from 171, holding that 171 support on the 3rd of February 2025. Solana right now is hoping to hold the $132 support level. If you zoom out, guys, on the larger scale of things, a lot of these altcoins are going to be dumping aggressively over the next few months. A lot of the altcoin markets have seen huge gains. Market participants were expecting outrageous gains, expecting 2021 type of gains, expecting 2017 types of gains, but the market is dynamic and it doesn't repeat what it has done in the past. In the case of Solana, Solana has gone up by more than 3,300% right now. Even with market participants crying that Solana is dumping to Goblin Town, Solana is still up more than 1,500% from the bottom. Now, Bitcoin dominance is very important, guys. If you see Bitcoin dominance dumping, that will be the signal that all coins are pumping, and if all coins are pumping, we're in the end of the market cycle. So if you're waiting for alt season, remember, if alt season comes, you're all to be pumping. You're supposed to sell for some sweet profit. You're supposed to sell because after the pump comes the dump, and when we start dumping, market participants get scared. Some other news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. OKX pleads guilty, pays $505 million to settle DOJ charges. South Dakota lawmakers effectively kill proposed Bitcoin bill. We've been seeing that take a narrative over the last few weeks. Market participants always find something to give them hope about price action. So recently, it's been Bitcoin bill that nation states are going to adopt Bitcoin. Guys, At the top of every cycle, market participants come with reasons not to sell. The previous cycle, it was Bitcoin going to $100,000. Even though Bitcoin had gone to $64,000, had gone to $69,000, market participants still wanted more in 2021, and $69,000 proved to be the top. I see something similar happening right now. Market participants want Bitcoin to reach $120,000, $150,000, but maybe, just maybe, the top is in. Maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin has stopped at $109,000, and the telltale sign that the top is in is we see a retracement rally where Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin is pumping, Ethereum valuation against the US dollar is pumping, Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency markets is pumping. If you notice that Ethereum has been dumping against Bitcoin over the last 3 years, at some point in time, that's bound to change. If we see that shift in sentiment, we see market participants start getting more risky, start buying some altcoins because Ethereum is pumping more than Bitcoin. That's a telltale sign that we're in the ending phases of the cycle. Superchain will reach 80% of Ethereum L2 transactions in 2025, and Ethereum favorable risk return ratio has traders insanely bullish on Ethereum price. Ethereum's price drops despite Bybit reportedly buying $700 million worth of Ethereum. I believe long time we see a huge pump in Ethereum. Long time we see Ethereum rallying maybe to $3,500. If we're lucky, Ethereum can easily rally to as high as $4,800. We have a sneaky feeling that cycle is over. I had the sneaky feeling that we're getting ready for a big dump to Goblin Town, and the next wave of pump guys will have will be the exit pump. The next wave of pump will have will be the one you want to sell and run for the hills. The last 30 days I've seen huge dump in the market. Bitcoin down 12%, Ethereum down 25%, XRP 27%, BNB 11%, Solana 45%. You get the gist. The last 30 days I've seen a huge dump in the cryptocurrency market, but historically the market doesn't fall in a straight line. Eventually we'll get a relief bounce, eventually we'll get a dead cat bounce, and that's when you want to be selling for some sweet profit. We saw something like that happen in 2022. The bubble had busted, market participants refused to believe. We saw a 55% decline in 74 days. That was not the real crash. Then we saw a relief rally. This was when you were supposed to sell off for some sweet profit. That relief rally ended in April of 2022. I see similar price action happening in 2025. We may see a rally, maybe in March, maybe in April, but that was when you want to sell and run for the hills, because the dump that will come later in the year with the kind of dump we saw in 2022, where the cryptocurrency market lost more than 75% of its value in a 78-day period. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. That's the market updates right now. We're down on the weekly, on the monthly, on the daily, but I believe that final pump is coming. Do you believe so? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.